Welcome back to the lab. Let's pick up right where we left off in Module 7. In this lesson, we're moving beyond numbered access lists into something far more practical for day-to-day work, named ACLs. They're readable, they're editable, and once you see the syntax, you'll understand why most engineers reach for them first. So let's open up the CLI and walk through it together. So why bother with names at all? Think about walking into a network 6 months from now and seeing access list 100. That number tells you nothing. But web filter, that's self-documenting. And beyond readability, named ACLs let you surgically insert or remove individual lines without rebuilding the whole list. Same power as standard or extended ACLs under the hood, just wrapped in something you and your teammates can actually maintain. Let's actually build one. From global config, the command is app access list extended web filter, and notice that drops you into a new prompt, config ext an ACL, where you just type your permit and deny statements directly. No more repeating access list 100 on every line. Here, we're allowing HTTP and HTTPS, denying everything else, and then applying it to interface GORO with IP access group web filter in, referencing it by name, exactly like you would a numbered ACL. Now here's where named ACLs really shine. Every line in your ACL gets a sequence number, and you can use those numbers to make surgical edits. Want to slip a new rule in at position 15? Just type 15 permit UDP any EQ53OA and it lands exactly there. Need to remove line 20? Simply no 20 and it's gone. Run show access lists to see the current numbering. With numbered ACLs, you'd have to delete the whole list and rebuild it. Another reason named ACLs win. Before we wrap up, let's lock in some best practices. Always order your rules from specific to general. The router stops at the first match, so a broad permit at the top will mask everything below it. Remember, you only get one ACL per interface per direction. And don't forget the invisible deny any at the end, so make sure your permits are in place first. Place standard ACLs close to the destination since they only match on source, and extended ACLs close to the source to drop unwanted traffic early. And finally, use remark lines liberally. Your future self will thank you. And that wraps up named ACLs. Up next in Lesson 4, we shift from filtering traffic to locking down the switch itself with port security and hardening, controlling which devices can plug into your access ports, and what happens when someone unexpected shows up. If this lesson helped, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. The full course is free on YouTube and at dargslan.com. See you in the next one.